Have you noticed how our world is quickly changing to digital? From social media to shopping online, digital banking, digital is becoming the new normal. But what about our schools? Are they keeping up? In today's dynamic educational landscape, schools face numerous challenges in managing their day-to-day operations efficiently. From navigation through the paperwork jungle to overcome communication hurdles, the demands on educators are greater than ever before. It's time to move past paper to a digital solution that makes education simple, efficient and accessible for all. But fear not, because Vidyamate is brought to you by Firepool Technologies, here to revolutionize the way schools operate. Vidyamate, a software and mobile app designed specifically for the next education system. Think about it, no more lost homework, missed notice or confusion. Just like the Andhra Pradesh government's steps towards digital education with tablets and digital boards, Vidyamate brings this innovation straight to your school. With Vidyamate, schools sign up and set up everything digitally. Teachers manage classes and homework, and students learn all in one place. From admission to biometric attendance and even paying fees, it's all a tap away. So why wait? It's time to transform your school to digital. Visit vidyamate.in and join us in making education digital, accessible and exciting. The future is digital, and with Vidyamate, it's bright. You may wonder how admissions are being done through online. Parents on their smartphones are scrolling through social media and suddenly they spot a school ad. They explore Vidyamate's website, discovering digital classrooms, biometric attendance, interactive learning, and many more innovative features. Impressed, they decide to enroll their children with just a click. Parents visit the school and are impressed by digital infrastructure. Parents receive access to the Vidyamate's app and a warm welcome message. The future of learning starts now. Vidyamate, where modern education meets innovation. In today's busy world, parents often face challenges when it comes to the pickup and drop-off of their children at the school bus stop. But fear not, we are introducing our convenient transportation module. With our module, parents can easily find the exact real-time location of the school bus. Parents are notified that the bus will reach their location in just 10 minutes for pickup and drop. Students board the bus with smiles, bidding goodbye to their parents. The bus reaches the school safely and on time. Parents receive notifications that their children have safely arrived at school, safe journeys, timely pickups every day. In traditional classrooms, teachers often face challenges when it comes to taking attendance manually, which leads to delays, errors, and difficulty in accurately tracking attendance for each student. Teachers find it challenging to maintain an accurate count of overall attendance and track individual student attendance effectively. But fear not, we have the solution, introducing our biometric machines for teachers. Teachers simply scan their face on the biometric machines and use a tablet device to mark students' attendance with just one click. Parents are promptly notified about their child's present or absent status and can access the overall attendance report. More time for learning, less time for admin tasks. In the world of education, fee management is a nightmare for schools. With manual fee collection, handwritten receipts, and the work task of maintaining paper records and calculating collected fees, a time-consuming process. Getting daily reports on fee collection is a difficult task. Schools waste time searching through piles of books to track who has paid and who has not. Fee reminders are another kind of headache. Schools resort to outdated methods like handwritten reminders and endless phone calls to chase payments. But now, there's a better way. Here is our fee management module, your ultimate solution to all fee management hurdles. Our module digitalizes fee collection, sends automated reminders, generates daily reports, and provides real-time notification of payment received. Parents can conveniently check pending fees, receive reminders, and make payments through our Vidyamate app from anywhere, and our system generates printable receipts. Effortlessly manage fees and empower your school with our innovative fee management module. Ever find school boring and tiring? Teachers writing homework on dusty blackboards, students copying it down and carrying heavy backpacks full of books. It's a tough situation we have all been in. But what if there was an easier way to handle it all? Parents left in the dark, wondering what homework their children even have. Introducing a revolutionary solution. Now, parents receive instant notifications about homework assignments. Students who miss a class can easily catch up with engaging LMS videos. Completing homework becomes a breeze with a digital platform and easy access to videos and material. The homework and LMS module, a win-win for students, parents and teachers. Exam season, the never-ending grading marathon. Papers pile up, deadlines loom, and precious class time is lost wrestling with mountains of exam and endless calculation. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Vidyamate, the innovative solution that transforms your exam into a breeze. Vidyamate simplifies your workload. Enter marks online and the system does the rest. No more mountains of papers or manual calculations. Generate reports, send notification to parents and analyze student performance all in seconds. Vidyamate frees you to focus on what matters the most, your students. Say goodbye to tedious grading and hello to more efficient, stress-free exam experience with Vidyamate. Ready to streamline your exam process and reclaim your time? Visit our website and learn more about Vidyamate today. Welcome to Vidyamate. We are brought to you by Fiber Technologies. At Vidyamate, we are changing the game for school management. Our platform is cutting edge, making things easier for everyone. Principals, teachers, parents and students. No more confusing software. Vidyamate gives you a free school website along with clear dashboards and simple screens. It's like using your favorite app. Anyone can learn it fast. Need to check something at school? No problem. Vidyamate works on any device, anywhere. Plus, teachers get free tablets to help them teach and manage things smoothly. Attendance tracking just got easier. Our special face scanner means no more calling out names. It's fast, accurate, and keeps everyone safe. Vidyamate isn't just for attendance. From checking grades to paying fees and sending messages, Vidyamate does it all. One platform for everything. Students can stay connected and learn on the go with our free apps for Android and iPhone. School buses are safe and efficient with our driver app. Drivers and principals see real-time updates for a smooth ride to and from school. Need to share news? Our team designs cool digital posters you can use on your free school website or screens around the school to keep everyone informed. Powered by Fiber Technologies, software experts, Vidyamate brings you innovative and reliable solutions. Thank you.